she be throwing that at, yeah, she good at it. Turn around when we fuck, make her look at it. She like.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video with my baby.
Hi.
Tell me your name.
Nikquriaa.
That's my baby. Y'all gonna see her in my last video I just posted, but we finna have a mukbang. Sit here, eat and talk. But before we start, y'all, please be careful for what's going on. We still have this coronavirus going on. Always remember to keep your mask on you. Just because you ain't hear about it no more, I mean it's over. And be safe if you're protesting too.
Celery.
Yep.
I got a bunch of it.
You too.
Mine is all dipped in my sauce.
I don't know which ranch I want to use. Oh yeah, for my wings.
That one first, and then when I finish.
I'm using those for my celery.
Celery?
You don't eat celery? Are you crazy?
Yeah,
Celery and peanut butter? Yeah, I better tell them.
I had my first grade teacher. She used to eat celery with peanut butter in it, but then she went back behind the peanut butter and put ham in it.
Never done that. She was on some other type.
Yeah, she eats celery and ham with peanut butter.
Ranch, please. How was your day?
Yeah, I've been with you all day, so it was wonderful.
Yeah, I know. Started off horrible.
Yeah.
But
You got better.
yeah. If y'all like putting ranch on y'all fries, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Wait, don't want to put something on my wings. I do. I'm using it for my celery.
I'm just celery up here.
Okay, now I put my ranch up here.
And what if you don't finish all your rings?
See, fellas, this is why you gotta have a girlfriend. Everybody, no, you gotta have a girlfriend. You can do this for yourself.
Stupid.
Paper in the way.
But it's fine on the paper. No, always throw the paper away, but if you put it on the lid, it's gonna drip on your wings. So next time I'm just gonna let you hook up, okay?
Thank you, baby. Anyway, I really don't want to leave. I forgot. There you go.
How was your day? I've never been together all day.
It was straight.
What up, Spoke? Call me Spoke.
It was straight. Could be better. Wish we can go swimming today. No how. Y'all make sure y'all stay hydrated too. If we were leaving Walmart, we seen somebody fell out. I guess they got too hot.
It's too hot outside for this.
Yeah, too hot outside. We're gonna start a couple channel soon though. How you feel about that?
I mean, I'm ready to start it. I mean, eventually I'm gonna have to start my own page.
Don't think I was hiding her, y'all. Just couldn't find right time. But right now, it's kind of cool, kind of cool. It don't like I was hiding you. Anyway, y'all go follow us on our social media.
All we got is IG. All we got is IG. I think couple page.
Yeah. What was that? Niandta?
I think so.
What's the name?
Name for what? Oh, our Instagram. Can I look on my phone to get the name?
Yeah. Niandta. I should have the picture on here so I can see it. Y'all go.
Put a me posted that since February 14th.
Really good.
I got one there with. Don't look at my plate. I know what I got. I want one of yours.
I didn't say yes.
Stop.
Give me one of yours.
Give one.
Go ahead, man. I guarantee the whole time she's just been watching me eat.
I ain't even watching you do nothing.
Lies.
Let me see.
Get well. You be doing that? I thought you were gonna just slide it out. This is the only meal we done ate all day, y'all. And it's what, 420?
420.
420. I'm gonna smoke after this though. I'm capping.
We gonna smoke.
I'm gonna do that shit. I'm not gonna want to do it though, but we gonna do that. Nah, drinking? That's another story.
Oh!
I'll never forget that night.
Bro.
Uh-uh.
They can know. My fans.
Not my dream.
Hmm?
Not my
Oh, I'm not gonna tell them that.
Okay.
No. Hell no, I don't want nobody to know that. Gosh, you did that. But anyway, one night, family gathering. I got drunk on accident. Everybody was like, how did you get your accident? It was an accident. I don't remember nothing. I got wasted. I was so gone. The only thing I remember, they put me in a tub, ice cold water. And I was yelling now, I'm right here. I don't know what the fuck that means. But I was screaming out. You feel good?
Actually, yes. My wings a little. They fried them hard. Okay.
This food was so good, y'all. I had no idea. They had wings and fries. And forever.
Really, nigga?
I came off a little bit. It's cool. Life ain't perfect. Anybody perfect. Ain't perfect time. To my hands. Thank you. But, like I say, our couple channel coming. I'm gonna put all stuff on there. You can follow her regular Instagram, Snapchat. I'm gonna put mine.
Snapchat.
Hmm?
I ain't putting out my Snap.
Okay. She don't want me to put her Snap. So mine over here.
Period.
And this is mine. Why are you dancing? That's the only thing I understand about girls. When they eat, they dance. Some little weird shit. But I'm finna say something you just did. I'm getting full already.
I am.
Oh, no, I was gonna say. This is my second mukbang video. My other one did good. Me and my little cousin. Subscribe to him. I'm gonna start going around doing this. Guys in my hometown that do YouTube. Got some new videos coming with them. Gotta contact them. Maybe next time I see them again, I'll have another hairdo. We shit crypto. That look good though, bro. I know it. I know it. Thank you.
You are a hater.
Thank you so much. But I think we're done eating. And I think this mukbang comes to an end. But we've been together for a year and 6 months. Yeah, in 3 days.
Why you look like that?
Cause women can be a headache. I know men can too, but y'all be a headache. I think that's why we love y'all for that. I keep it on the path. Y'all get it on there. Y'all want to get in a relationship, y'all gotta put it all into it. Give you all.
Stick with it through the talking stage. It can be rough, but really love that person. You really get up. I can't say love through the talking stage, but like if you really have feelings for that person, you can't give up.
Cause you gotta see if they got feelings for you too. And if they don't have the same feelings, you can't get mad. Cause she been through a lot dealing with me.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, they wouldn't even call for sure.
Man.
Oh, they wouldn't even call.
They don't even know.
They ain't gonna know. Chill on down. Down.
It's not gonna be that far. Until we do our story time on how we got together.
True. Woo. Memories.
Headaches. Baby.
You're doing too much. You're doing too much.
You was doing too much.
No, you was doing too much. But we still have those rough times, but we stick together. These days when we get in an argument, I really can be mad for about 5 minutes. Probably not even that.
That long.
Probably not even that. Call. What we doing? This bullshit. It's best to
Talk your problem out.
yeah.
Don't like let them sit and then get worse.
Cause you want to talk to that person.
Yeah. Something's bothering you. Speak up then. Don't wait till later on down the line and be like, hey, what you did on February the 12th at 6 o'clock ain't like it. But like if your partner's doing something that's bothering you, speak up and tell them then so the problem can be solved.
Right then and there. Don't wait. Is there anything else we want to talk about?
No, top of my head.
Now top of your head. This is my second one. This is with my girl. She's shy. But she talked the hell out of my ears when she with me. She just all the time.
Okay, so you being a little extra for your little stanky video.
For one, don't compliment my folks. Do what I want. It's my channel. Remember that. Yeah, fellas, yeah. Woo. Yeah, remember, let them know who Big Dog is. Me. Yeah. But I think it's done with this mukbang. We'll come back to a lot more. Y'all gonna see a lot more. Try to. And then good hours started. I'm thinking I'm saying I had sex stuck in my tooth. That's why I was doing that. But I already remember. Head up. Keep God first. Humble hustle. We will maybe be back with more videos, depending on she act. I'm just joking. We're back with more videos. I have more videos to come. Myself and my other YouTube homies. Also, just me vlogs. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. We're back with more videos.